Now let's solve a triangle using the cosine formula. Now, just like the law of sines, you can use this to solve a triangle that is not a right angle triangle. So let's say you have this triangle over here, right? And say that this angle is angle alpha. Now the side opposite to angle alpha, let's say that is A. This is angle beta. The side opposite to this angle beta is this side B. This is angle gamma. The side opposite to this angle gamma is side C. Now, the formula states that if you have to find out the angle alpha, you write down cosine alpha. That will be equal to, first of all, the sum of the sides that make up the angle alpha. So the angle alpha is made up by the side C and the side B. So B square plus C square minus the side that is opposite to this angle alpha, which is side A, right? Minus A square divided by 2 into the sides that again make up the angle alpha, which are C and B. 2BC. This is just 1. So now, for example, if you had to find cosine of beta, you would use the same logic. First of all, the sum of the sides that make up the side B, the angle B, beta, which are C and A. So A square plus C square minus the side that is opposite to the angle beta, which is B. So B square over 2 into AC, right? So now let's see. By the way, if you rearrange this first one over here, right? If you rearrange it, it gives you A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine of alpha, right? And this will be relevant because let's see how you can do this question. You have been given that the side B is 95 and the side C is 34 and the angle alpha is 52. Now let's see how you'll find out the side A, the angle beta, and the angle gamma, because those are the only things remaining to solve the triangle. Now using the cosine formula, which is this one, using the angle alpha, because that's the one given to us, you can find out the value of the side A, which we have to find. So you know that B is 95, C is 34, and you know that the angle alpha is 52. So now just replace the values. A square is equal to this. Take the under root of this value to get the side A, and that gives you 78.7644. Now that you have the side A, you would basically have all three sides, A, B, C, and you also have the angle alpha. So now using this law of sines, you can find out the angle beta and gamma as well. So now A over sine A is equal to B over sine beta. A over sine alpha is equal to B over sine beta. So now you can use this to find out the value of this angle beta. So beta turns out to be, sine beta turns out to be 0.9505. Take the sine inverse of this to get the angle beta, which is 71 degrees and 53 minutes, which is basically just 71, 53 over 60 in improper fractions. And yeah, let's use this. Instead of using the law of sine, you can just use the logic that the sum of all the angles in a triangle equals 180. So gamma is equal to 180 minus alpha plus beta, right? Which just gives you 56 degrees and 7 minutes, or 56, 7 over 60. So now you have everything you need to solve the triangle.